In chapter 8, we are going to talk about how to create a new zombie, and we are going to finish the feed and multiply functions. The formula for creating a new zombie is very simple. The average between the zombie's DNA and the target DNA. The target is, for example, the human's DNA. And this is a very simple example. For example, if the zombie DNA is 22222 and the target DNA is 44444, the new zombie is to sum up together and then take an average of 2. And later we can make one formulas more complicated, like adding randomness, but for now we just keep it simple. So we are now go to the test, and first we need to make sure the target DNA isn't longer than 16 digits. To do this, we can set the target DNA is equal to target DNA modulus to only take the last 16 digits. So the target DNA is equal to the target DNA modulus, the DNA modulus. And then the second part is we should declare a uint and name it new DNA, and which is equal to the average of my zombie's DNA. And you can access the properties by using my zombie.dna. So we take a bracket, open the bracket, and my zombie DNA plus the underscore target DNA, and then divided by 2. And remember to place the semicolon. And then we open the underscore and use the create zombie. And actually this is the functions at the zombie factory, and this is create zombie, and we need to pass the name and also the DNA, and we use the name no name for now. So we copy this and paste to here, and then we pass the new DNA inside the function, and now we can check the answer. So we can go to next chapter.